Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering with Pritam. In today's video, we will continue our PTZ Creo Parametric series and will talk about tapping type of holes. In our last video, we saw how we can create a standard hole using drill or milling cutter. Now let's see how we can add tapping to it. So here we can see we are already in our screen, and let's go here in model tab and then select hole. Now again I'm gonna select the surface where I would like to place this hole. Now again we need to use these reference collector. Either you can directly attach it or you can make a right click, and then here you see this option which says offset reference collector. Now simply you need to press control button and then need to select both reference collector. So in this way also you can collect reference. Now coming back to our topic, this time I would like to go with tap drill. For that, here we need to select standard. So as soon as we clicked on standard, here we can see the tapped option is already enabled. Now we need to go here in sizes, and here you can specify the sizes. And the good thing here is we can see ISO type, UNC and UNF type of thread, which cover almost all kind of threads available in the market. So in my particular case, I generally use metric type of thread. So here in this particular case, I would like to go with metric type of thread with pitch as 1.25. So this is coarse pitch, I would say. If you would like to go with fine pitch, then you can go with M8 into 1.0 or M8 into 0.75. There is ultra fine pitch also available, where the pitch is just 0.5 mm. Again, I would say it totally depends on you. Generally, the lower is the pitch value, the higher is the cost. So I would like to go with 1.25, and then here we can see the preview of our hole. Now let's add depth to it, okay? So here it is 20.4, let's make it 25. And there we go. So in this way guys, we can create this standard hole. Now let me again go back here and dynamic edit, and actually I have not defined the tapping depth. So 25 is my drill depth, then the tapping depth is at how deep you would like to create threads. So let me make it 20. 20 will be fine, I would say. Now let's click again on regenerate. And in this way guys, we can create this hole here. And not only we have created hole, but we also have created this annotation that will help us to quickly create drafting when we draft this model. Okay, so that we will be doing at later part, obviously, because right now we are still covering the modeling part. So in this way guys, we can create hole with tapping. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to follow complete PTZ Creo Parametric series. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.